Welcome to check out UNIARCH's brand new Wi-Fi bullet cameras for outdoor security. The B2 are with infrared light and the B2D with dual lights. Admire the sleek metal and plastic construction. Built tough with IP67 waterproofing, this camera has you covered rain or shine. Installation is a breeze. Just 4 screws and you're done. Even if you make a mistake, the 360-degree adjustable base makes adjustments easy. With 4 megapixels, you get crystal clear 2K resolution. Zoom in and see the details. UNIARCH captures the clearer outlines of the character. This smart feature detects moving objects and sends instant alerts. Customize it to detect people, motor vehicles, and non-motor vehicles. When night falls, dual light flexible switching provides 3 monitoring modes. That's all for this new Wi-Fi bullet camera. Easy to set up, easy to use, and perfect for keeping an eye on your property. See you soon.